ElectraCast.
How many discounts does USAA Auto Insurance offer? Too many to say here. Multi-vehicle discount, safe driver discount, new vehicle discount, storage discount, legacy.
How many
discount.
discounts will you stack up? Visit USAA.com/auto discounts. Restrictions apply.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for June 25th, 2025.
Today, NASA launched the Axiom Mission 4 from Kennedy Space Center aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket at 2:31 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The crew includes Commander Peggy Whitson, pilot Shubhanshu Shukla, and mission specialists Sławosz Uznański-Wiśniewski and Tibor Kapu. The spacecraft is scheduled to dock autonomously to the International Space Station's Harmony module on June 26th at approximately 7 a.m. The mission highlights international collaboration and commercial partnerships, featuring joint experiments with the Indian Space Research Organization. The crew will conduct research and outreach during a roughly 2-week stay on the station. NASA's Rock On student mission is set to launch from Wallops Flight Facility, Virginia, between June 26th and 29th. The Terrier-improved Orion-sounding rocket will carry student and faculty experiments into suborbital space, supporting hands-on STEM learning. The launch will be live-streamed on NASA's YouTube channel. On Mars, the Perseverance rover analyzed a rock named Kenmore, detecting clay minerals, feldspar, and manganese hydroxide, a new discovery. It conducted chemical analysis using its SuperCam, Sherlock, and Pixel instruments, and broke its record for the longest autonomous drive, traveling 1,348 feet. These efforts support future Mars exploration and human missions. NASA Public Affairs Officer Rob Navius recently marked nearly 25 years of continuous coverage of the International Space Station. He is known for clear and informative mission commentary since 1993. NASA's ISAT-2 satellite is mapping shallow seafloors up to 130 feet deep in clear coastal waters. Using laser data and machine learning algorithms, the ATL-24 data product distinguishes water surface and seafloor to create detailed underwater topography. NASA engineer John R. Cassani, who contributed to missions such as Ranger, Mariner, Voyager, Galileo, and Cassini, passed away on June 19th at age 92. He proposed Voyager's golden record and was renowned for his leadership and technical expertise. A study combining NASA satellite data with eBird citizen science observations found that 75% of nearly 500 North American bird species are declining, but 97% have areas of population growth. Machine learning produced high-resolution population trends to guide conservation efforts. The IMAP spacecraft's CODICE and SWAPI instruments have been installed at Astrotech near Kennedy Space Center. Scheduled to launch in fall 2025 to Lagrange Point 1, IMAP will study space weather by measuring solar wind particles and pickup ions. Astronaut Bob Hines shared a photo of the waning crescent moon taken from the International Space Station in May 2022, highlighting ongoing Earth and Moon photography by the crew. NASA will host a live question and answer session on July 1st featuring astronauts Anne McClain, Johnny Kim, and Nicole Ayers, a Space Camp alumna. The event celebrates the 65th anniversary of the Marshall Space Flight Center and will stream on NASA's STEM YouTube channel. During the arrival of the Axiom Mission 4 spacecraft, astronauts Anne McClain and Nicole Ayers monitored Dragon's approach while conducting microgravity research. They also tested a biomedical thigh cuff to counteract fluid shifts in space. Russian cosmonauts performed station maintenance and prepared for cargo departures. Finally, the Chandra X-ray Observatory released a composite image of the Andromeda Galaxy, combining X-ray, ultraviolet, optical, infrared, and radio data. The image reveals the supermassive black hole and spiral arm structures and honors Vera Rubin's work on dark matter. The data was also sonified, allowing listeners to experience the galaxy's features through sound. Those were the key activities for NASA on June 25th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning into NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I Say.
I'm Iris, host of Or Whatever Movies and the forthcoming Powers of Darkness podcast. For the better part of a decade, we've been unraveling a literary mystery that begins with a strange version of Dracula. Yes, that Dracula. It's a different story, imbued with a potentially insidious agenda. What we've already found so far reshapes what we thought we knew, but the investigation isn't over. Support our efforts to finish what we've started and bring the full story to light. Go now to Kickstarter.com and search up Powers of Darkness to learn more. Coming soon on ElectraCast, wherever you listen to podcasts.
ElectraCast. ElectraCast.